And as we head into the rest of our Thursday, we're going to continue to see that cloud cover all before some of that heavier snow joins us, potentially bringing us some impacts. At the moment, though, we're quiet. We're dealing with those clouds and, of course, the chilly conditions. Temperatures right now in the 20s, 27 degrees in Rockford. But because we have just a little bit of a breeze, winds out of the southeast at 13 miles per hour, it feels like we're about 10 degrees cooler, 16 degrees right now for that feel-like temperature. We will continue to climb just a few degrees, making our way into the low 30s as we await the arrival of that winter storm. At the moment, it looks like our area is alert free. Definitely can't say the same about those further to the north, stretching from North Dakota, Minnesota through Wisconsin. Winter storm warning will end up bringing and seeing the highest totals further north. A little less of an impact here back in the state line, others seeing a winter weather advisory. Here's that system that we're looking at right now, not seeing much of activity. This that you're seeing on ExactTrack isn't reaching the ground just yet. It's really this right here that we're worried about, and we'll watch at least, as that will bring us the flakes in just a few hours. Right now, though, cloud cover over our heads with some of that snow falling further to the north into central, or I should say southern Wisconsin. Here we will end up seeing that moving closer to the latter half of your afternoon. 3 o'clock starts to bring some of that activity near the state line, but even more so getting into the evening hours. So once we get closer to 5, especially 6 and 7 o'clock, that's when that slightly more widespread activity will move in, even bringing us some maybe pockets of moderate to heavier snow. It slowly tapers off, becoming a little bit more scattered through about the 9 o'clock hour, and we'll actually get a couple breaks overnight. Some pockets, though, could end up bringing a slight wintry mix at times, only to see snow again early Friday. Here's what 5 a.m. could look like. We then start to see that breaking up, could still see some flakes through about 8, but after that quickly moves out, taking with it some of that cloud cover. So here's what you need to know moving forward. Areas further to the north could see anywhere from 1 to 3 inches, very similar to what we saw just earlier this week. Those further south are really going to stay up to about an inch at best. So again, closer to I-88 and further south. Further north you go, the higher those totals go. In fact, those within that winter storm warning could see in excess of 5 inches, so much higher further into central and northern Wisconsin. Again, we'll see most of that coming in after 3 o'clock, wraps up early into tomorrow morning. Keep the driving slow. Watch for those slick spots tonight and especially early tomorrow. If you are maybe getting any holiday traveling started, the heaviest totals will be further north, so keep that in mind. Then we get ready for a potential wintry mix by the time we get to Monday. We'll have to watch the forecast because that's when temperatures start to climb. We have a really chilly Saturday to get through first. Plus, lots of sunshine. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, we'll see sun and slightly higher temperatures by Sunday. We only continue to climb. We might even get into the 50s next week with rain in the forecast. Emily.